All right, video recording of the RoboMaster S1 connected to a DJI DT7 remote control and the DR16 receiver module connected directly into the D-bus port. So right now I have the remote control set into chassis slaved mode. And the remote controls, it's a straight plug and play. Forward, backwards, to the right, to the left, and then you can steer. Whoa. Oh no, actually, it's not chassis driven, it's turret driven. Whoops. Now I'll switch it into chassis mode to see. Oops. All right. Turret. Oops. Oh, so I'll have to check the mode switch to see why. So the turret control. This is quite interesting to see this remote control working straight out of the box, indicating that some of the code, at the very least, on the RoboMaster S1 is borrowed, probably straight from the RoboMaster. So the remote control configuration, the handling of the D-bus / S-bus port is quite interesting. So I'll be exploring more. The next phase, poor little thing dragging behind. So the next phase I'll be trying is working with my FarSky TH9X remote control, in which I've hooked up a multi-protocol transmitter module, and I will be trying a couple of the protocols that module is capable of to see how closely it will emulate the DJI DT7. So this one, quite lucky. It's it doesn't seem to be in active production with DJI. I found this one through eBay as an open box product. So I'm quite happy to have found it. Especially, this is not the only project I want to connect this DT7 and DR16 combo. I also have a few projects using RoboMaster hardware with a Type A development board and Type B development board that I want to be able to work with, and so this remote control and receiver modules will come in quite handy. So just wanted to share with you this discovery on this Tuesday, and hoping to hear back from you all, and we'll be following through. So stay tuned. Bye.